Alrighty, are you guys ready for the most boring update I could possibly give you on AlpenFury? And I'm not even kidding. I am just going to be straight up honest. This is going to be a very boring update, but can we make this the most liked update? Is it possible to get you guys to like this and just for the comedy, make the most boring update on AlpenFury ever the most liked video? Let's do that. Okay, let's get started. So they have covered the launch with tarp. A lot of people have been messaging me, what does this mean? Blah, blah, blah. They're covering the launch. It is just them painting the mountain. So they are painting the interior of the mountain black and applying the paint job to the rock work inside the launch tunnel. That's all it is. But as you can see here, I got some good shots to show you the rock theming around the launch. As you get past the transfer track, there is more of it, and they've painted the inside black. They've added this AlpenFest snacks sign to this little building. From what I understand, it's going to be AlpenFest snacks, probably popcorn, those little, what do you call those little ice cream things? I forget what they're called. People are going to read me out in the comment section below. It's okay. Not a lot of work going on with AlpenFury other than it continuously testing and it looking really awesome. But all the boring work for the station is progressing. So what could be the locker area or the queue line. There is obviously going to be a queue line indoor. You can see it exit out the side here. But outside of that, here is that little slab of concrete that will lead to the stairs from the inside queue line section. So good news, it looks like there's going to be a large indoor queue portion. They've been installing the handrails as well as the bin system for AlpenFury. It will feature a small bin system that can house really small purses, and handbags and cell phones. This is going to be a game building. As you can tell there's a little balloon popping, but I think I already made a video about that. So this is officially a game building. So that can be confirmed. This will not be lockers. Here's that little evac area that they've been working. I assume it's going to be an evac area, but please take that with a grain of salt. But yeah, mostly just a lot of aesthetics to work on and the finishing touches for the station. We are down to the last little bit. It'll be very easy to finish this. I do have, I guess, some exciting good news to share. It has been revealed that there will be a fire effect on the mountain, and it is already installed. I tried to find it for you guys. I can't exactly pinpoint what it could possibly be. I do see lighting effects that look old, but they're pointed towards AlpenFury now. But they also could just be pointed to the peaks to light it up at night because the mountain does light up at night. But yeah, from what I'm hearing, the fire effect is already installed and has already tested. So yeah, I guess that's exciting. I guess we'll see if that's actually true when Wonderland reveals it. But yeah, that's everything I have to talk about AlpenFury today. Like I said, it's a very boring update. Nothing exciting going on other than ride testing. But yeah, thanks so much, guys. Have a good one. Bye.